The Amazing Spider-Man, Episode 6, Birds of a Feather. Guys, it's me, Spider-Man. Vulture has been terrorizing the city. I need to take him down before he can destroy anybody else. But I can't really get there without any, I can't get there without web shooters. That was a stupid idea anyway. Just run, jump, and climb there. Oh. I am the vulture. And I am taking the city. Goons, destroy them. Ryu. And pumpkins. Oops. Ah, my eyeballs! Vulture, what have you done? I've kidnapped your friends. Wolf, you can't keep them imprisoned if I defeat you. Alright. Please make a noise, Vulture. Where am I? Vulture?